Hello and welcome to the channel, and today we have Cmax 2016 and I want to show you how to remove the camera if you need to change the camera. So let's see all the things that we need to do to make it. So first you want to remove these two, and for that one you will need a smaller screwdriver. One really small, as you can see over here. You just clip it around here because there is already a place for that, and the other one as well. And then you're gonna need a screwdriver. This size works. So you take it out. It's pretty long. So try not to lose it. I mean, it's long. It's really deep. It's not that long. After that, I believe it's just finding the clips. Oops. So that's the one. So I'm gonna use my plastic tools to check out the clips where they are. So that's one. Here is another one, and probably somewhere around here should be the third guy. Yeah, found one, found two, found three. So this one over here, one over here, and third one is over there. So same should be on the other side. You use your plastic tool. Just need to start somewhere. Yeah, so maybe like this. Once you find the right place, it should be quite easier. So I believe that's about that for this. Now it's just pulling it down. There might be few more clips, as you can see over there. So either you have plastic tool or even this bad boy. It will help. So might even need to take this over here as well, because you're gonna need to pull it out. So unclip that bad boy out. That one and this one as well. So this one again, plastic tools is the best way to go in any case. So the clip is around over here. All you need to do is click it out. So like that. After that, it's just pulling it down, and let me show you all the clips. So this one, this one, this one, there's one here, one over here. So there is plenty of clips. All that just to get to these two screws. I mean, over here, as you can see. So yeah, all you have to do is just click it in and push out from this side and from this side as well. So there is that one pin that it's holding it. So maybe use that smaller screwdriver. And I'm not sure if you're gonna see from this side. So, but here is the clip. You click it and then you push it out. So clicking it, pushing it out. I will show you over here. I put down everything. So here you can see the push button and the camera piece. So this is the clip that you have to click, so that one, and on this side there is another one. So might even be possible to might need to push that one, but probably not, because once you take that out it's quite easy. So after that we have this is for the opening the hood, and this piece over here is for the camera. So it's gonna be harder with one hand probably. So clicking it just all the way up and pulling it out. So that's for that one. So here we have the camera and the push button for opening the hood. The number on here is F1 EB, so 2018. Interesting. So the car is, I believe, 2017, so it might be that somebody changed it already, who knows. So after that you plug in again, push it in and click everything together. So that's not something that's, I don't know, that hard. So, and if you need to remove the third light, it's already here, or just push this out and you have access to the third light. So that's not really that hard. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, share, and see you next one. So till next one, see ya. If you have anything that you would like me to make, still there is some stuff over here that I didn't do. We did lights, we did the steering wheel and all the other stuff, but as you can see there is still some things that I didn't remove from the car. So if you wanna any ideas of what you would need, sure, no problem. Next up I wanna take this out and take the hood out. So yeah, but I did show this on older model. So basically that's it. Wrap up for this one. Lots of things to do. So thank you for watching, and yeah, don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, share. It will help grow the channel. If you have anything that you would like me to show, sure, write in comments. So thank you and see ya.